Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching punctuation signs. But before I jump into it, if you are a new member, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also, if you are already a member, welcome, welcome, welcome. I love you guys. So as I said before, today we will be talking about punctuation signs, okay? What is punctuation? Punctuation is a set of specific symbols or marks used to express the meaning of sentences clearly. You might ask yourself this question: why do we need punctuation marks? And the answer is we need punctuation marks to make reading easier and faster. Today, I will be teaching 16 different types of punctuation marks. And the first punctuation mark is comma. A comma expresses a pause between parts of a sentence. It is also used to separate items in a list. A sentence using comma is below: the pet store has cats, dogs, hamsters, fish, and turtles. Next is semicolon. A semicolon is used to join two or more ideas or parts in a sentence. A sentence using a semicolon is: we had too many fumbles, we lost the game. Next is colon. A colon is used after a word introducing a quotation, an explanation, an example, or a series. A sentence with a colon is: he wanted to visit 3 parishes in Jamaica: Kingston, Montego Bay, and Westmoreland. Full stop. A full stop is used after a complete sentence or statement. An example is: my name is Mr. Bill and I am a teacher. As you can see, the full stop comes after teacher. Next is exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used after an interjection to indicate strong feelings or high volume. An example of an exclamation is: oh my brother just fell right in the gutter and it was hilarious. Next is question mark. A question mark replaces the full stop at the end of an interrogative sentence. An example is: do you want an apple or an orange? That's how you ask a question. Apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of one or more letters in a word. Example: government. Government is written short with an apostrophe between the V and the T. A sentence using an apostrophe is: she's always on time for school. So instead of writing she is, you put an apostrophe with an S. Quotation. A single quotation is used for a quotation within a quotation. And yes, I know that sounds tricky, and it is also used in a headline. But an example to make it clear is: the teacher asks us, open quotation, how many of us have read the story, The Brown Horse, in your textbook, close quotation. So you open a quotation when you're about to explain what the teacher asks us, and then you close the quotation after you're finished. A double quotation is used the same way as the single. For a quotation within a quotation, yes, it is difficult, but I'm going to explain, and it is also used within the headline. The British English mostly use a single quotation, and the American English mainly use a double quotation. So example, open quotation, what would you do? I ask, if money didn't matter, close quotation. So if you're British, you'll use mostly a single quotation, but an American would use a double. Hyphen. A hyphen is a punctuation mark used to join words and to separate syllables of a single word. Example, Jack recovered the chair and made it look new. As you see, recovered is hyphenated. So that is how you use an hyphen in a sentence. A lot of time people confuse the dash with the hyphen, but a dash is a mark of punctuation used to set off a word or phrase after the independent clause or incidental remarks. Example, she works from 8 a.m. 5 p.m. So it is telling you how long she worked between the hours 8 a.m. 5 p.m. Next is slash or stroke. A slash is a diagonal slant line used to mark periods and commas. It is also used to separate dates. Example, November 16, 2012 is also written 11/16/12. Parenthesis or round brackets. Parenthesis or round bracket is used to contain materials that could be omitted without altering the meaning of the sentence. Example, did you leave your bag, red, black handles in the classroom? Red, black handles could be omitted out of the sentence and it would still make sense. It would read, did you leave your bag in the classroom? So that's why you put the bracket, because that could be omitted out of the sentence. Square brackets. A square bracket is used to make a quoted text more understandable. They are also used to explain or replace words with a quotation. Example, if you don't like my principal, well, I have others. So my principal is in a square bracket, which means that they are trying to explain or want you to understand what they're talking about, which is the principal. An ellipsis. An ellipsis indicates an intentional omission of a word, sentence, or a whole section from a text without altering its original meaning. Example, I don't know how to say this, she said, looking down. You mean he's? Yes, he's gone. I'm sorry. So instead of saying he is first, they say he's. And then they continue in the next line explaining that he's gone. Next, asterisk. An asterisk is mostly used as a footnote symbol. It shows that you are planning to comment on something at the bottom of the page. Also note, the asterisk goes before the dash, but after every other punctuation mark. Example, after Troy received his daughter's holiday wish list, he placed an asterisk next to the items he wants to purchase. So asterisk would go beside the items that Troy would purchase. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. If you want to support your girl, you can purchase my ebook on Amazon. It's just $2.99. This ebook or these books are for couples who want to know where they are in their relationship. I have 257 best asked questions on communication, trust, intimacy, and all these good things in your relationship. It's a fun book. You can play with your partner. You can ask each other questions, learn things that you haven't learned about your partner thus far, and all these good things. Also, my other book is Say No to Divorce. So if your relationship is on the rocks, this is the book for you. You buy it, there are guide and things that you can do to save your marriage. Okay, love you guys. Bye.